bulb looks like a penguin's belly. Let's wipe it clean. Spread a layer of newspaper. Smooth out the wrinkles on it. Mix latex and water. Stir the mixture. Latex is ready! Brush with a coat of latex. Spin the handle of the fan to dry the latex. Great job! Cut the shape of the penguin's belly. And make the wings as well. Next, shape out the penguin's feet. Wow! The penguin is so adorable! Tap on the fish and let's fish with the penguin!